There you go to the pumpkin patch. Hey guys, so we finally here at the place. I don't know. It was a long drive. Very long drive.
An hour and a half. That's long for them. Jump on yellow.
Yeah, just like this. Only jump on yellow. It's a challenge, Mama.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Press the button, Myra. It's just a little dangerous. That was a little scary, Myra. Feed the corn.
See that?
Yeah, see if you want to feed it.
Hello. It's nasty. Here you go. Here you go, you little cow. Ew.
Or maybe we just throw it in there for him.
Hi, cow.
It's a cow say. Ew, that's a lot.
Big old. He's disgusting.
She's not afraid. Pigs might bite.
Pigs might bite.
I know, but it's not biting.
You said you know, but they're not gonna bite. Pigs and goats will bite. Okay.
Ew, and poop in here.
Yeah, they poop in here, Mama. They live in here. Oh, look at them. I'm gonna bit each other. Don't you be mean. Don't put your hand in there, Mara.
I'm not. Ew, pigs have no sweat glands, so they wallow in mud. They go.
We can feed the goat. Look how he's looking at us. Don't touch it because it might bite. Hello.
What's that say?
It says conundrum. What is it? Look at that cow, Myra. Look. Look at that big white cow. Big white.
Hi, cow. Hi, cow. You look like a turd. He's like, what's going on?
Let me see what we looking like. Hey, you guys.
Why do eyes look like that?
That's how their eyes look, baby. Let's see. Hey, buddy. Oh, wow.
Hey, don't hit.
It eyes is different, isn't it?
Goats are picky eaters.
Is that the right here?
Daddy,
Oh.
Daddy, the baby wants some.
Oh.
Oh, don't go. That's for you, baby. Not you. That's for you, baby. Not you, okay?
Bye-bye.
You gotta give me that. But this is for the baby. Where does Daddy just sit it?
I know.
He's like,
You got this.
Can you cross your legs?
Hey, cross your ankles too. Hang on, baby. Let's go this way. Let's see if we can get one. Is that okay if we get this one right here?
No.
Black one?
Well, I like to do that one, but I can do that one.
You want to sit on the cool black and white one, the zebra?
Let me sit right there. You are.
Here, hold it, RJ. While I get around here. Been a while since you've been on a carousel, huh, RJ? You better be careful.
Yeah. Hold it. Now you do that when the ball does wrong. Why, mommy?
Right.
Right there.
Come on, RJ.
It's been weird.
Alright.
Mommy, you want to see me go underwater? Mommy, you want to see me go underwater in the corner?
Yeah. Oh, that's a little faster than I expected, mine. No, if you look to the side, Myra, you okay? Look on the side. Look over here, Myra. Look. Look at RJ in the back. Y'all was talking about?
Yeah.
That's kind of. You go down there.
My leg is bad.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, that was creepy, Mommy. It's dark in here.
Gotta get a big line.
That's a nice
I'm gonna get it ready. I'm not gonna go yet. Because he gotta go down there. Yeah. No, you have to. Oh!
You got this, Myra. You got it? I'm gonna come down the bottom. Make sure you get it. Yeah, he made it. He made it, Myra. He made it.
Where's she at?
She's nervous.
I'm gonna see her come down right to it.
I hear her.
See that? See
What
that?
happens?
You got this, RJ.
Okay, here you go, boy.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Okay, look, I watch her. I'm gonna watch her. Look, let's watch her. Come on, Mara. Ah! Mara, come on.
fun, y'all.
Yes.
Fried Oreos.
Why it look like that?
Powdered sugar on top.
It failed.
No,
Oh, that's good.
try it. That's powdered sugar on top. That's sugar on
That's
top.
good, but it's hot. Ooh.
Is it good? Jay.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Myra, look at it. Look at
Wow.
it. You like it, Myra? So Myra don't like fried Oreos, okay?
Probably gonna catch it.
Apple cider slushies. We're banging, won't they? Are they?
For real.
We're banging. So it's an hour and a half drive worth it.
I mean, we still got 3 more things to do.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Think so? How about you? Think the long drive was worth it? You don't think it was worth it? You wouldn't come back again?
I will.
So it was worth it. When you carry.
This is glowing.
Is that the one you want, baby?
Uh-huh.
Got some scratches on them and stuff. Is that okay?
No.
No, I'm just making sure.
Ew.
This is only $6. Look at RJ. He done found his. He's guarding his.
I can't hold it.
Sure, Daddy will hold it for you.
Ow.
That's the one you want, Myra.
Yeah, mommy, this. No. Hey, look at this bucket. We got no flat spot.
Okay, so that whole back of his head is flat. That's the one you want, baby?
You had flat. I
That-
don't know.
Is that the one you want, baby?
You can make that flat. You can make
You
the flat
his
part the
face.
face. And had the big in the head. That way you can make the face.
That could be the back.
Butt, that's the back.
Yeah. Well, the back, the flat spot could be the back.
No, this is the butt.
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Y'all's big pumpkin. That's when you want it, RJ?
Yeah. Mine
Okay.
is so bigger.
So bigger. Hang on, y'all. And what do you say, Myra, about your pumpkin?
Look, my pumpkin is so little. My pumpkin is bigger, though.
I did see the pepper pumpkin. The pepper-looking pumpkins.
It's so wet. Imagine, I want to go
I
up
should have got a
there.
red pumpkin. That would be cool.
Mommy, I want to go up there and go like that.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this thing you take us up there. That'd be dangerous. Right, it is homemade. We got homemade lemonade, you guys.
Oh, that's sugar.
Yep.
Oh.
So they put a lemon in here, and then they just squish the lemon down and put water and then sugar and shook it up. You like your lemonade, Myra?
Yeah, good. 4?
Yeah, you're 4.
You do? Hey guys.
Corn maze.
What side?
That's why it's called a maze.
This is what it is. We have to go all the way over there.
Triangle A. Let's see if he comes back out on the other side. RJ! 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 You had fun, RJ? You had fun, Myra?
Yeah, but guys, that was a short video.
And so we had a long. So that was a corn maze right there, and that was the corner ride right there. Over there's a mining thing, and that's corn. That was a basketball game, apple shack where we got them cool little apple cider slushy thingies. There's the playground over there as well. The behind the carnival is where we did the little cow run thing. So if y'all want to come, this is Layman's farm, by the way. And that's where the little bouncy house was. And the zip line is over there. Huh? We didn't throw nothing. Oh, they got so that's cool. We had a little mini games, outside games. And then, hang on, Myra wanted to try to get back on the bouncy side. That was a little ride here, but no one was on it at all. I think it was just closed, RJ. And over there is where we got on the hay ride at. And then these are just some shacks that snow different foods and drinks that are eliminated from right there. Oh, look at the little pumpkins, y'all. I want anything so bad.
89, 90.
I know, but they're handmade, RJ. Those are silly. Oh, look. No, those are a photo booth. Oh, no, it's closed. We're going to check out our pumpkins. That was the country store y'all we just came from. There was the other country store. Myra, show the people what you just got at the gas station. Please stop, take a bathroom break on the way home.
Guys, you got gummy pizza. It's so weird. Like, why does an egg on pizza? And these kind of look like noodles and gummy bears.
I know. Open the pizza box up. Other side.
Oh yeah, it's weird.
It's gonna taste good, probably.
Yeah, guys.
RJ in the bathroom now.
Maybe
So
those
when he
red
get back with his
things.
daddy, she's gonna try.
Maybe
it.
those red things is the pepperoni. I don't know.
Maybe it is pepperoni.
I'm gonna try the egg first.